Hey Capricorns, welcome to November 2024. Get ready, because this month's looking like a mix of fun, focus, and those "are you kidding me?" surprises. We're talking big shifts, tons of energy changes, and moments that'll have you feeling like you're in the middle of a reality TV show you didn't sign up for. But don't worry, I've got you covered with the details you need to know about what's coming up, what to sidestep, and how to make the most of everything the stars are throwing at you. You're tuned in to ABC Zodiac, where we dive deep to bring you the real deal. So grab your favorite drink, your journal, or maybe just a snack, because we're about to get into it Capricorn style. Let's roll. This November kicks off with a major energy reset for Capricorns. You'll feel like you're tuning out of some intense themes from the past months. Think of it as a playlist switch, going from heavy metal to something more chill, like a lo-fi beat that has you easing into the month. From the 1st through the 22nd, you'll be riding a wave of social, mentally stimulating energy. This is the time to catch up with friends, join group activities, and maybe even sign up for that online class you've been eyeing. It's all about connection, communication, and picking up those bits of wisdom from people around you. Around the 22nd, you'll feel a strong pull to rest, recharge, and maybe go on a bit of a social detox. So, yes, if the thought of curling up in a cozy spot with your favorite blanket sounds amazing, lean into it. This is the month's natural downtime, especially as you gear up for Capricorn season. So give yourself permission to coast a little, lower your stress, and maybe leave some texts on read without guilt. By month's end, you'll be recharged and ready for what's next. November's shaping up to be interesting in love, Capricorns. If you're single, get ready for some unexpected turns. With Venus hanging out in your sign from the 11th onward, you're literally glowing with that Capricorn charm. People are noticing, and you might find yourself with some unexpected admirers. You're like the limited edition item everyone suddenly wants. And that's going to lead to some fun encounters. Don't be surprised if someone slides into your DMS with a message that's just a little too smooth. Venus has that effect. For those in relationships, this is a month of romance and rekindling. With the full moon on the 16th in Taurus lighting up your 5th house of pleasure, plan a cozy date night or a small getaway. We're talking cute road trip vibes, matching hoodies, and maybe even a little adventure like ziplining or something out of the norm. The energy is about stepping outside the usual routines and focusing on building memories together. This full moon also brings a few surprises, just the kind to remind you why you love each other. Exes might also resurface this month, thanks to Mercury's retrograde starting on the 26th. If they show up, remember why they're in the past. If it's tempting, maybe leave it at a friendly, "hey," and let them drift back to wherever they came from. Brace yourself for some financial shifts, Capricorn. November is kicking off a new cycle in your 2nd house of money, with Pluto making moves that scream level up or get left behind. You're in a phase where your relationship with money is evolving, so keep an eye out for financial opportunities, especially those related to investments or business ventures. This could be the month you finally take the plunge into that side hustle you've been planning. Around mid-month, the 15th, Saturn, your ruling planet, finally goes direct. It's been in retrograde for months, holding back some of your financial goals, or maybe just making things feel like an uphill battle. Now, those plans get the green light. So whether it's launching a project, asking for that overdue raise, or just taking control of your budget, the universe is backing you up to make smart, steady moves. But let's talk impulse buys. With Mars in your 8th house, it's tempting to go big. New tech, fancy gadgets, the whole treat yourself vibe. Before hitting that buy now button, make sure it's in line with your long-term goals. You might find a much better deal if you're patient and wait until the holiday sales anyway. For Capricorns on social media or looking to start a new business, this is a fantastic time to build your online brand. That charm Venus brings could mean you're making an impact in your network. If you've been thinking of going live on social or launching a product, give it a go this month. Business-minded Capricorns, this month has opportunities you'll want to keep an eye on. With the sun lighting up your 11th house of networking until the 22nd, get out there and connect with people. This isn't the time to fly solo. Collaborations or partnerships could be key to bringing in some serious results. If you're attending conferences or networking events, go in with a mindset that's ready to make deals. After the 22nd, it's time to take what you've learned and let it simmer. This is about quality over quantity. Work with people who are aligned with your vision and don't waste energy on partnerships that feel off. If you're thinking about launching a business, consider rolling out a teaser or a soft launch instead of going full throttle right away. Let the world get a taste and leave them wanting more. Home and family life will have its own ups and downs this month. With Mars in the 4th house around the 8th, you might find yourself dealing with a few unexpected repairs. Got a leaky faucet or a squeaky door? Might be time to tackle those annoying "I'll fix it later" chores before they become a big expense. On the positive side, you'll also get a chance to bond with family, especially during Thanksgiving. Instead of a full-blown family gathering stress fest, go with a laid-back approach. This year, maybe try something different, like a game night after the meal or a family walk around the neighborhood. The energy this month supports keeping things light and laughter-filled. Capricorns, you're usually the practical one in your friend group, but November has some surprises that could shake up your usual vibe. Around the full moon on the 16th, you're in for some unexpected invites. This is the time to say yes to spontaneous plans. Whether it's a friend suggesting a random road trip or a last-minute dinner out, lean into it. You might end up having one of those remember that time stories that everyone laughs about for years. Social media could also play a big role this month. If you're on platforms like Instagram or TikTok, use the full moon energy to post something fun or creative. It's got a good chance of going viral. And if you're a content creator, this is a great time to showcase more of your personality and let people see your humorous side. If you've been wanting to get away, the stars are lining up perfectly for you to take a quick trip this month. Around mid-November, consider planning a weekend escape or a day trip to clear your mind and shake off any lingering stress. Don't worry about going too far or doing anything grand. A cozy cabin or a staycation could be exactly what you need. For some Capricorns, there might even be a spontaneous chance to visit family or old friends. If an opportunity comes up last minute, roll with it. Sometimes the unplanned trips end up being the most memorable. With Venus in your sign from the 11th, November is your month to refresh your look. This is the perfect time for a mini glow-up. Think about adding a fresh twist to your style, like a bold new color or a statement accessory. And if you're considering a hairstyle update, go for it. Venus gives you the green light to experiment, and you're likely to get plenty of compliments. But let's keep it real. No need to go all out unless you want to. Even a subtle change can make you feel renewed. Venus's influence means it's all about bringing out your natural charisma. You don't have to work too hard for it, just let yourself shine. Key dates and special events for you, Capricorn. 11th, Venus enters your sign, bringing you all the good vibes and a little extra attention. 16th, full moon in Taurus highlights romance, creativity, and spontaneity. Plan a fun date or friend hangout. 22nd, Sun moves into your 12th house, making you crave some alone time for rest and reflection. 26th, Mercury goes retrograde in your 12th house. Expect some old memories or people to resurface. Capricorn is what November 2024 has in store for you. From major energy boosts to romance, cash flow, and a few hilarious mix-ups, this month is packed with potential. Take it slow when you need to, enjoy the moments, and don't forget to say yes to a bit of adventure. You've got everything you need to make this a fantastic month. Thanks for tuning in to ABC Zodiac. Remember to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more star-powered insights. Stay amazing, Capricorn. And until next time, keep shining like the legends you are. You